Hi everyone. Welcome to this beginner's guide to stock market investing. If you're like many people, you may have heard about the stock market and how it can be a great way to make money. But maybe you feel a bit intimidated by all the financial jargon and complicated sounding processes. That's why we're here. In this video, we're going to give you a step-by-step guide to getting started in the stock market, so that you can begin to build wealth and achieve your financial goals. Before we get started, let's make sure we're on the same page. What is the stock market, exactly? Simply put, the stock market is a marketplace where people can buy and sell ownership in publicly traded companies. When you buy a stock, you're essentially becoming a part owner of that company. And as the company grows and becomes more profitable, the value of your stock can go up, which is how you can make money. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's get into the specifics of how to start investing in the stock market. Step 1. Educate yourself. Before you start putting your hard-earned money into the stock market, it's important to do your research and get a good understanding of how it works. There are a ton of great resources out there to help you get started. We recommend checking out websites like Investopedia, Motley Fool, and Yahoo Finance for beginner-friendly articles, videos, and tutorials. You can also consider taking an online course or finding a good book on the subject. The more you know, the more confident you'll feel when it comes time to make your first investment. Step 2. Open a brokerage account. Once you have a solid understanding of the stock market, it's time to open a brokerage account. A brokerage account is a type of investment account that allows you to buy and sell stocks. There are many different brokerage firms out there, each with their own fees, features, and tools. Some popular options include Robinhood, E-Trade, TD Ameritrade, and Charles Schwab. When choosing a brokerage, be sure to compare their fees, investment options, and user experience to find the one that's right for you. Step 3. Start small and diversify. Now that you have a brokerage account set up, it's time to start investing. But before you put all your money into one stock, it's important to remember the old adage, don't put all your eggs in one basket. This means that you should aim to have a diverse portfolio of investments, so that if one stock doesn't perform well, you don't lose all your money. When you're first starting out, consider investing small amounts in a variety of stocks to get a feel for the process. As you gain more experience, you can start to focus your investments in a particular industry or sector that you have a good understanding of. Step 4. Monitor your investments. Once you've made your first investments, it's important to keep an eye on how they're performing. Make sure you understand how to read stock charts and track the performance of the companies you've invested in. Consider setting up alerts so that you're notified if there are any big changes in the stock's value. If a stock isn't performing well, don't be afraid to sell it and reinvest the money in a different stock that has more potential. Step 5. Repeat and refine. The beauty of the stock market is that it's a long-term game. The more you invest and the more you learn, the better you'll become at making informed decisions. Don't be discouraged if you have a few losing investments at first, it's all part of the process. Keep investing, monitoring your portfolio, and learning from your experiences. As you gain more knowledge and confidence, you'll find that your profits increase over time. Remember to always keep your financial goals in mind and make investment decisions that align with those goals. Finally, we have a few more tips for you to keep in mind as you get started in the stock market. First, don't be afraid to ask for help. There are plenty of financial advisors and investment professionals who would be more than happy to answer your questions and help you get started. Second, be patient. The stock market can be volatile, but over the long term, it has historically provided solid returns for investors. And finally, don't forget to have fun. Investing in the stock market can be a fun and exciting way to build wealth and secure your financial future. So there you have it, a beginner's guide to stock market investing. We hope that this video has given you the confidence and knowledge you need to get started on your investing journey. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, be sure to check out some of the websites and resources we mentioned earlier. Thanks for watching.